Hey guys, welcome to another amazing, crazy cooking show. We're gonna do something special because we did a road trip. We are spending a whole weekend in San Diego. We are actually cooking with a former UFC fan favorite, knockout artist, but also he's a great chef. We're gonna spend the entire weekend with him, cook with his family. Let's go and see who's behind this door.
Hey, what's going on, man? Hey,
How you doing?
good. Welcome to San Diego.
Thank you, man. This is awesome.
Yeah, my little garage gym right here. You know, we get a lot of hard training done in this little spot right here.
This is really cool. So, what are we cooking today?
Today we're gonna do some smoked salmon, Ora from New Zealand. Maybe the best king salmon on the planet, in my opinion, but you could be the judge of that. And then we're gonna do a couple Korean barbecue tri-tips for dinner, and then we're gonna get some sides going too. So hope you're hungry.
We are hungry. Let's do it.
All right, let's get this going. Lots of salt.
So you're curing this right now?
Yes. I'm not sure what they call it, curing or brine. We're gonna smoke this fish real slow. This is just gonna marinate and give it flavor all the way through.
It's 8 a.m. We haven't had any breakfast because we had like 2 pounds of meat yesterday.
We did. Yeah, we went to Fiddler's, which is kind of a local hideout, you know, and incredible deal, man.
Brown sugar, some salt, or actually a lot of salt, and then 1 tablespoon of pepper.
We're gonna spice it up a little bit extra. Garlic powder and a little bit of ginger root. We order these by the kilo from a company called Star West Botanicals. So it's like what they would use to make naturopathic medicine. It's like so much better.
So this is like good grade of spices,
huh? Yeah, smell that.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Totally different ball game there. Stir that in there. Preparation part 2.
Preparation part 2.
Oh, look at that. Unwrap, rinse it real good. Otherwise, it'll come out real salty. That's good. Go ahead and
My friend.
grab this and pat it dry. Look at that.
So how many more hours?
That's a beautiful piece of fish. Well, if I were to do this at night, I'd let it dry overnight and then smoke it in the morning.
So good preparation time for this one is 24 hours.
Yeah, it
Pretty
takes
much.
a while.
Okay.
Hey, man. Good things come to those who wait.
Oh yeah, and we're gonna wait.
You're gonna wait.
So it's already marinated. We just put it in a bowl, and you can just say that you use your special marinade, right?
Okay. Or we could tell the truth and it's a funny story.
Whichever you want to do.
Bobby, a little embarrassing.
Mm-hmm.
I know I said when you came down I was going to do my special Korean barbecue smoked tri-tip. But what had happened was...
What did happen?
I got the tri-tip out of my freezer. I got my marinade put together. I let it soak in the fridge for a day or two. And as that started to thaw out, I realized that I wasn't marinating a tri-tip. What I was marinating was a 1 gallon Ziploc bag full of top sirloin steaks.
So instead,
you're in for a real treat because we just broke down and went to Cecil's. Cecil's is our local butcher here in San Diego. I think they've been here for like 1,000,000 years, maybe. So, I didn't lie. You're still going to get Korean barbecue tri-tip, but we went ahead and bought these couple.
let's see.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
When we smoke this, I'm not lying, it's gonna taste like candy. Adjust this real quick here. So look at the color on those.
I'm hungry, Dad.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, it's just falling apart. See that? Even grabbing it with the tongs is making it. Go ahead, Bobby. Pretty good.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wow.
It just falls apart.
Mm-hmm.
I'm pretty.
So tender and juicy.
For tri-tip, right?
Mm-hmm. And I love the
Honey.
marinade.
What do you think about the smoked tri-tip?
Yummy.
Yummy? See, I can't stop eating it. That's the problem.
Good.
We're gonna eat the whole thing without even having our plates in front of us. The
I can't
outside.
stop. I really can't stop. Oh yeah, the outside.
So that.
It's so funny because you mentioned candy in the beginning. It has that sweet.
Candy taste to
Mhm.
it, yeah. I thought I saw one.
Look right here.
Can I have the candy?
Yeah.
Let's share it. You want to share?
Let's do this.
Look at that.
So this one been sitting in the marinade 6 hours.
I'm curing for another at least 12.
12.
Okay. There
Okay.
we go.
Yeah.
We got at least 2 hours. And I'm really excited too because my other buddies have been sending me pictures of their fish from yesterday from barbecue.
Mm-hmm.
The guy that gets me the salmon sent me some pictures, and then my buddy Jake, who got it with me, sent me some pictures. So we got to win. We have to win. All right,
140 on the dot.
140. Let's see how that looks.
Turn me up.
Look at that. We're ready to eat, man.
Not great. Is it dead? Yeah, it is dead.
Oh, look at that falling apart, huh?
This one? Watch out.
Oh my gosh,
I can try.
it's incredible.
Is that?
The fat right in the fish, it's so fatty.
Seriously, this could be the best salmon I've ever had. No joke.
It's incredible, right?
This could be the best salmon. Is that plate for me?
That
I gotta do my own plate?
was pretty funny, Bobby.
Okay, I'm gonna make my own plate. Okay, Chris. What can you say about your special rice here?
Oh yeah, I used bone broth. I use that when I train, get that extra collagen and protein. You know, makes the rice a little more substantial as well. You know, add a little bit of garlic, ginger, maybe some turmeric. You know, get those good spices to help out the body.
I'm digging in, Chris.
Yeah, get in there, buddy.
Oh, I'm shaking. I'm so hungry.
And I need
That
table.
salmon is
I need
incredible.
table.
This is so good. Switching the water to bone broth.
Yeah,
How did you come up with that?
I just did it one day.
We needed
I needed more collagen.
Yeah,
Look at this.
where's yours at?
It's medium in the middle. It is good. So I haven't had any food
Did you?
since yesterday. Been on 18-hour fast. And this is perfect start on a Sunday.
Hey, baby, let's get captivated.
Thanks guys for watching. We had a crazy weekend at Chris Leben's house. Been cooking in the backyard. We had tons of good food outside in the city. We had some prime ribs, some Mexican food, awesome Mexican food in San Diego. Had a good time with Chris and his family. Make sure to subscribe on this channel, click on the bell button so you get more notifications. Comment, let us know which other fighter you want us to hang out with and cook some food with them, talk about some MMA, whatever, and I hope you enjoyed it. Chris,
Yeah,
Yeah.
do I have to wash all the dishes?
yes, you have to wash all the dishes. And when you're done with that, you need the floor needs mopped.